Morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss 18 related assignment solutions. In that the first question is through a rectangular field of length 90 meters, breadth 60 meters, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meters, find the area of the cover by the roads. This area we need to find, and the cost of the constructing a road at the rate of 110 rupees per meter square we need to find. First, what we need to find? We need to find the area covered by the roads. To find the area covered by the roads, what we need to find is, first we need to find the total area of the park. The field is rectangular field, so that is length of the road along the field is what, 90 meters, and the breadth is 60 meters. Here road is length is 60 90, and the breadth is 3 meter. So area of this road will be what? Area of this road is length into breadth, that is 90 into 3, that is 270 meter square. Next, similarly, area of the road parallel to the breadth of the field. That means one more will be having, that is just now we have found horizontal. Now we are finding the vertical road. That is also length into breadth. Here that is a length is 60, and breadth is 3 meter. That is 180 meter square. Now if you come to the first question, what is the first question? We need to find the area of the common portion. That is a common. What is the common portion here is? Let me show you. The common portion is, it is our common portion. This is our common portion. This common portion in the form of a square. That common portion we are going to subtract. So common portion is 3 into 3, that is 9 meters square. Now area of the roads is, that is the area of the horizontal road, area of a vertical road, minus area of a common portion. Why? Because in the two roads this common portion is coming. So that's why. So here 270 plus 180 is how much, ma? That is 0 0 15 450 minus 9 will be getting the 441 meter square is the area of the two roads. Now what we need to find? We need to find the cost of the roads constructing at a rate of 110 rupees per meter square. That is cost of roads 110 into 441. So if you multiply, 0 will be 0, 11 ones are 11, 1 is a carry. Next 11 fours are 44, 1 is a carry, now 45, 4 is a carry. 11 fours are 44, 44 plus 4, 48. That is the cost of the constructing a road is 48,510 rupees. Next, if you come to the second question is, Vagya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter, cut off the length required of the cord. So then she wrapped into around a square box of side 4 centimeter, as also shown in the figure. So they have, like, she made two cords like this, ma. Here we need to find. So she is having the some cord. So how much cord she left? We need to find. Here they are mentioning, the question is pi value is 3.14. So she has taken a 4 centimeter here. So here first what we need to find? We need to find the length of the cord. How we can find the length of the cord? This total is the length of the cord only, that is circumference of a circle. So the circumference of a circular pipe. So the circumference of a circle is what, ma? 2 pi r. So that is 2 into pi value is 3.14. The radius is 4 centimeter. So if you multiply this, we will be getting 25.12 centimeter. 25.12 centimeter. And what she has done, she has made this wrapped into a square. Then how much cord is going to left over with her, Pragya? We need to find. That is how we can find this circumference minus this circumference. That is perimeter of the square is what, ma? 4 into side. That is 4 into the side they have given as 4 centimeter. 4 into 4 is equal to 16 meters. It is a perimeter. If it is area, centimeter square. Now length of the cord left is what? That is 25.12 minus 16. We will be getting the 9.12 centimeter. So Pragya left with her cord is 9.12 centimeters. Next, if you come to the third question is the adjoining figure represent a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. So here it is a rectangular lawn will be having, and here will be having a circular bed inside the lawn. So the area of the whole land, that is what ma? The area of a rectangle. Next, area of the flower bed, that is area of a circle. Area of the lawn excluding area of the flower bed, that is area of the lawn that we by removing the area of circle, that is area of a rectangle minus area of circle. Next, if you come to the circumference of the flower bed is what here, that is circumference of a circle we need to find. The first question is given is what ma? Length of a lawn is 10 and breadth of a lawn is 5 meter. So area of the lawn is what ma? Length into breadth, that is 10 into 5, 50 meter square is the area of the whole land. Next, if you come to the second question, in that area of a circular flower bed, that is flower bed is a what my area of circle is pi r square. So pi r square, pi is 22 by 7. Radius they have given us 2 into 2. That is 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 2, 88. 88 by 7. Now, if you divide this, we'll be getting the 12.57 meter square. If you come to the third question, area of the lawn excluding the flower bed, that is area of a rectangle minus area of a flower bed. So area of a rectangle is 50 and area of a lawn of flower bed is 88 by 7. So here LCM is 7. If you take the 7 is LCM, 750 is 350 minus 88. 350 minus 88 is 262. 262 by 7. Now here if we divide this, we'll be getting the 37.43 meters square. Come to the fourth question, circumference of the flower bed. Circumference of the flower bed. That is a flower bed is in the shape of a circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. That is 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. Radius is 2. That is 88 by 7. That is 12.57 meters square. Sorry, ma, it is meters, ma. It is meters. Circumference of the flower bed is meters. Circumference is meters, not meter square. I hope everyone is understood. So thank you everyone. This is the today's 18 dated assignment solutions.